Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you will get notified as soon as I upload a new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you a super easy method to make keto waffles. We need 60 grams of cream cheese, 2 medium-sized eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of almond flour, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of your favorite sweetener. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients in a blender and blend it at least for 2-3 minutes. If you don't have a blender, you can also use a whisk. You just have to make sure the 2 eggs are beaten well. So now the waffle mixture is ready to go to the waffle maker. Before that, I'm going to grease the waffle maker with some melted butter. From the amounts I explained in this video, I can make 3 waffles from this waffle maker. But depending on the size of your waffle pan, you may be able to make more or less. Now I'm going to pour the waffle mixture onto the waffle pan. In this waffle maker, it usually takes around 2 minutes for a waffle to be fully cooked. Usually I know it is ready to be taken out when I see the steam coming out of the waffle machine. Now you can see 2 beautiful waffles are ready, and also you can see there is a little bit of an overflow, meaning that I have put too much batter onto the waffle pan. So the texture wise and taste wise, I don't find a big difference between these waffles and the normal waffles. But I think the biggest difference would be that these waffles are low in carbohydrates, high in fats and higher in calories compared to the normal waffles. I usually like to have my waffles with whipped cream and some blueberry sauce. This blueberry sauce is homemade, so it doesn't have any sugar added. But if you like anything else like keto friendly syrup, you can use it here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you will get notified as soon as I upload a new recipe.